Get your watermelon out of the fridge. I'll show you how to use every bit. Let's cut and peel our watermelon. Did you know watermelon is one of the most hydrating fruits? Yep, it's 92% water. Perfect for those scorching days. We'll save the rind pieces in the freezer. This surprise tool will come in handy later. Now take the flesh and chop it up. Eating watermelon can keep your skin healthy due to its lycopene. Next, we'll blend these chunks for classic watermelon juice. This refreshing drink is ideal for hot summer days. We'll strain it twice this time. First through a coarse strainer, like for pasta. This removes seeds. No one wants those in their smooth juice. Next, we'll strain it finer to separate the pulp from the juice. With the pulp, we'll make something special. We'll moisten some wax paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup easier. Less work for you. Place the wax paper on a medium-sized tray. Pour in the pulp, spread it evenly across the base. Then bake on low for a couple hours to dehydrate. Dehydration concentrates the fruit's natural flavors. Out of the oven, you'll have watermelon leather, a sugar-free candy that lasts weeks. You can roll it up and put it on a plate. It's a perfect healthy snack for on the go. This watermelon leather is natural and great for kids. They'll love it. It's time to unveil our mystery tool. Put some frozen rinds in a blender. Add a banana and blend it up. No need to add sugar. The banana provides enough sweetness. It'll be super tasty without it. Add the rind to smoothies for extra nutrition. It's a great way to reduce waste and use everything you have. Now serve and enjoy this refreshing, healthy smoothie. With these 3 tips, you'll waste nothing from a watermelon. Enjoy these great tips to make the most of watermelon's versatility. This fruit is delicious and great for your health. Use it in salads, drinks, or desserts. Always new to discover. Try different flavor combos to surprise your loved ones.